Live with no air conditioning ever, or live with no heating ever. Always have cold showers, or always have no access to showers. Only wear the same outfit forever, or only eat the same meal forever. Live with constant background noise, or live in total silence forever. Never be able to smile again, or never be able to frown again. Lose all sense of taste, or lose all sense of smell. Live without mirrors forever, or live without photos of yourself. Always be itchy everywhere, or always feel something stuck in your teeth.